Welcome to How to Solve AL0604 Without Writing a Single Line of Code. I am Nakul Tyagi, and in this video I'm going to discuss different ways to solve AL0604. So let's get started. I have created a dummy project for your reference. As you can see in terminal, it is showing 700 warnings of AL0604. According to your project, they can be less or more than mine. So first I will share the standard way to solve this. One of them is to use rec on every occurrence of the alert. That means if total number of warning is 700, then we have to write rec 700 times like this. As you can see in the terminal, now the warning becomes 699. Keep in mind guys, this warning will become error in future release. Second way is to use hashtag Pragma directives. The hash Pragma directive gives a special instruction to the compiler to compile the file in which it appears. If you want to learn more about hash Pragma directive, I have attached a link to the Microsoft documentation in the video description for you. It can be used line-wise or per object-wise. For example, this is the example of line-wise. We can also do this per object-wise. For example, this is the example of per object-wise. Per object-wise. The third way is to use the suppress warning property. Some partner will use it for their development purposes, but keep in mind that no one should set this property on the extension they are going to publish on production. They can use the suppress warning property in the app.json file like, like this. By doing this, we can get rid of the warning in one go. But yes, I would never suggest using this property for production apps. The developer will use this property to hide all other warnings from the project and can work on one warning at a time. Now we can estimate how long this standard process will take, and if you have a big project, then chances will be that the number of warning can be more than 700. I have created a PowerPoint slide to show the routine estimation involved in these standard procedures. So if we use rect, then we have to write 700 times. The total number of line to be worked on is 700 and we have to write rect 700 times. And if we use Pragma directive line wise, then it will be 700 multiplied by 2 means 1412 if we are using it line wise, and if we are using it is per object wise, then in that case it will be the number of objects which have this warning AL0604. The third way is the press warning inactivation, but it can only be used for development purposes. Um, Now I'm going to show you how I'm doing it in one go. Open your project in VS Code and open the command palette. You can open the command palette by pressing F1 or Ctrl plus Shift plus P by your keyboard, and then find the command Solved AL0604 and press enter. It will hardly take a few seconds to complete, and once completed, it will be via notification at the bottom right that it has been completed successfully. After notification pop up, you can see in the Explorer that a new folder has been created, that is AL0604 sold objects. In this particular folder, you can find all the items on which the warning AL0604 has been removed. Now all you have to do is right click on any file and click Reveal in File Explorer, and then cut and then paste all the files in the AL0604 sold object folder and replace the object with the originals. So I will cut them, my object, page and page extension, paste this. Now go to your Visual Studio Code and open the command palette again and type reload window. Hit enter. After reloading, you can see that the warning are permanently removed from your project. If you go with the standard approach to solve AL0604 700 warning, it may take 2 to 3 or 3 to 4 working days to resolve it, but it will be a piece of cake to solve this if you use my extension. Now you guys must be wondering, how do you get the command solved AL0604? For this, I have added my extension link in the description, and you can also install it directly from Visual Studio Code. I will show you how you can install it directly from Visual Studio Code. Go to the extension tab in the VS Code, search for NTAL Dev Tools, TAL Dev Tools, and install the extension. Once it is installed, you are good to go and can run that command. Try it, guys. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button to see more videos like this in the future. If you want me to cover any other topic, leave a comment below and I add videos to my list of videos to make. Well, that's all I have for today. I hope you like it and I hope to see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.